Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Driveway Engineer. I'm JR. Today I'm here at Weller Self-Serve in Grand Rapids, Michigan with a Focus EXP, baby. Maybe that's an STA. Doesn't really matter. I'm here to make a bench harness for an E38, a Gen 4 PCM. I'm finally going to move into the new Millennium, and I'm going to bring you guys with me. And the reason that I'm starting this in the junkyard is because I want to show you guys, again, thinking outside the box. The same PCMs are used in a buttload of GM applications. So just because they're used in '07 and up new body style trucks, they're also used in '07 and up everything else. So I need one of these connectors. I don't actually need the PCM, so I'm not going to take it. But they're available in all kinds of other '07 and up stuff besides the trucks. So somebody's been out here cutting them all. Probably the guy that's selling them on eBay like 3 miles down the road. But they're available, and what the fuck is this thing? A Torrent? An Aura? I don't know. An Equinox? Doesn't matter. Some stupid little poo car. I'm going to get this off here, and next time you guys see me, I'll be at home. I'll show you guys how to set this up for a bench harness for a Gen 4. If you just couldn't listen and had to have one. Alright, so once you have your connector, I'm going to show you how easy it is to do this. You can do it while sitting on your patio. These connectors have a buttload of wires in them, and I'll put the pinout up on the screen for you, and I'll link it below. LT1swap.com has it. They have a lot of wires in them, as you can see, and we only need like 4 of them. I believe pin 17, 20, 21. Alright, so I completely screwed that up. It's pins 19, 20, 27, 28, and 73. And 73 is out of order. It's this big one. If you look on the inside, see that big tab that's obviously different? That's this. This is a ground. 27 and 28 are CAN bus signals, and 19 or 20, whatever I said, is switched in constant power. So I'm going to tell you now that that's probably these 2 wires, because they're color coded in a way that I understand. Thank you, GM. Pink is always switched. Red or orange are always constant, but I'll double check. So you just count across, and like, I'm not even going to do anything with these other wires. I'm just going to leave them there, but you can trim them out if you want. But I'll bring you guys back when I have it all put back together. Like, it's only a few wires, and any OBD port will work. Any OBD port. I think this one came out of an Enclave because it happened to be laying there loosely, like dangling. So I'm going to twist up the connections real quick, and we'll hook up Mo's PCM, and I'll show you guys that it works. Alright, so I clipped these. I'm kind of a liar. I clipped these so it would be easier for you guys to see. But looking at the plug in this view, like, this is where the wires come out, where my thumb is here. This orange wire is pin number 1, and then we have number 2, 3, 4, so on and so forth, all the way over to that purple wire in the end is 16. And then it drops down to the next row. This blue wire my finger's hitting is 17, 18. And then the wires you need are 19 and 20 for power. This one's not pinned in a couple positions. Skip, skip, skip. 27 and 28 are a pair of CAN bus wires. They're both, one's brown and one's brown with a white stripe. And then you skip, skip, skip. This black wire is a ground. So to hook to the OBD connector, we have to wire up the OBD connector with power, constant power, switch power, ground, and then the CAN high and low. And I will bring you guys back and show you what wires do that. Again, all these, this could be out of a Honda. It doesn't matter. All these OBD connectors are the same, which is the point of them. So I'll bring you guys back when I have that hooked up and show you what it looks like. Alright, I'm going to endeavor to show you this as clearly as I possibly can. We have in here pink pin 19, red pin 20, brown pin 27, brown pin with stripe 28, and pin 73, black with a white stripe. So, brown pin, or black with a stripe from the PCM, goes to the OBD connector. These are numbers, I think 4 and 5 here, and these are all going to be grounded to my power adapter. 19 is a constant hot, and that goes to pin 16 on the OBD, which is orange on this one. So I'm going to hook those directly to the power supply. My key on is going to be pin 20 on the PCM connector, which I extended with this purple wire so I can just touch it. Brown with no stripe, which is connector 27, will go over to the OBD CAN bus high side, which is pin 14, this green wire. And brown with a stripe goes over to pin number 6, which I actually had to move. I think this was like 1 or 2. I didn't have a pin at that location. So when I said earlier that they're all the same, I guess that wasn't 100% accurate. But I moved this over to number 16. So this is pretty much ready to plug in now. And I don't have any power out here. So I'm going to take you guys inside and plug it in real quick. And we'll watch it read the tune that's on here for Mo. Let's see what's wrong with this junk. So I've hooked the key on, and we'll go ahead and try to read the vehicle. It's not, oh, I haven't plugged it in. Derp. There we go. Sometimes you gotta do the truffle shuffle with this thing too. It's kind of annoying, like it likes to. There we go. Hit the old read vehicle. See what we get here. There we go. She's reading. So there you go. E38 DIY bench harness. You don't have to spend $125. That's madness. I'm going to go ahead and open this up and look for Mo to see what's up with his VATs. But it doesn't have to be complicated. So hope this helps you guys if you're insistent on having a Gen 4. I personally hate Gen 4s, but you know, whatever. Time marches on. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.